So this is the package. They simply send this box with this bill. So they have sent it in just 2 days from Amazon. This is Themisto band soldering kit combo. Price is 299 rupees. So I am in tier 1 city. So they sent in just 2 days. So let me show you what is inside there. There are total 8 number as they mentioned. 8 number products. Let me show you. So soldering rod with cable. This is 1.5 meters cable length. You can see grip is awesome. And here is it. It's the stand to place the soldering rod and user manual. They said user manual also provided in the video of the Amazon, but I don't see there is user manual inside. And I don't know few of the items names actually. So let me 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Including this, I think they have calculated 8 items. 3. So I have received total 8 items. This is Themisto soldering flux liquid item before starting soldering. And this is desoldering mix. When you want to desolder, you need to use this wire and the soldering rod. And one more thing, as I said, few of the items I don't even know the names. So total 8 items they have sent. This product has a 3.7 rating by the 7,900 plus customers in Amazon. As I said you earlier, this is 299 rupees. Previously I brought Themisto company product, that's why I chosen again Themisto brand. The previous product is really awesome. So this is the product I was mentioning, Themisto glue gun, which is working super fine. You can see glue gun sticks also almost all completed. It's been already I think 6 months. That's why I chosen this brand again. Out of 5 rating, it has 3.7 for this soldering kit. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. Please do share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel.